bird machine. Check.
Yo, I'm the verbal spit, Smith Wesson. I unload with 6 spit and quick with the split second. Bar with a lit wit expression. You hear it tick, then you test it. My saliva is spit, the split thread in the fiber and bits. I'm fussy, I'm as live as it gets. Everybody claiming the best and they had the throne from business on. If you ask me, they dead wrong. My flow is hotter than the flash from the clip. When a hammer slaps the bullet on the ass from the clip. Wind up in a room full of my dogs. I have you feeling like a fire hydrant in the room full of dogs. So come now, get pissed on, shit it on. Tough talk, hurt, but can't be all, just get them on. You can blaze when the mic's off, shot when it's on. You probably duck when they load the gunshot in your song. My guns do stutters when it speaks to you. Other shit to repeat to you. Nothing to clip to give a speech to you. Me and Premier, we kinda the same ways. We both speak our hands and dangerous. Rap now with the purpose of class. Oh, how to live the clicks. I'm on rap purpose. Next best to reach a heat formerly known as the best kept. But I guess that I just stepping around on your punches like salt. Every day I'm leaving somebody and all of their pieces. Quick and shaking in the hand, show me all of the teeth. And these bitches I'm patting their asses. They be all dumb and goofy, I was looking at me back and laughing. Rappers say Detroit niggas not as down as them. Since that I'm down to slim that I sound like them. Quick to judge me and tell me that I look like Sarah. And say fat shit to me like I look like Emma. My life quit talking, it's over. I was knocking niggas out when you was knocking sticks off in the shoulder. I got dirt on his past, I know y'all slick. I got regrets over this up in so often. Niggas say I found down with the flow. Bring the police to the studio and bring the bomb squad to the show. Ain't a nigga touch your minds. When you listen to my shit, you don't chew, you don't breathe.